Okay guys, I have something new I want to share with you. I have not opened them yet. As you guys know, I'm so sorry for my voice. I have been under the weather. This is my day 6. I'm just getting better now. My voice is still on and off, but I am okay anyway. So I have been on everything 5pounds.com. You guys have watched my video in the past. I think it was 2 years ago when I do a full review of what I got from everything 5 pounds, and at the time I had a good deal. Had a good deal, and some of the stuff was £2.50. So of course, with high cost of living and everything going on in the world, not just you can still find things on sales, but the main thing that's supposed to be just £5 only, they're no longer £5. So that's what I just want to share with you guys, just in case you see me like showcasing stuff I have bought in the past, and I tell you, oh, this was £5. So you go on their website, you find out that it's no longer £5. So they have put their price up, and things are now just less than £10. But their website or their logo and everything still say everything 5pounds.com. So I ordered them myself. I'm not affiliate, and they sent 2 boxes to me. I don't know, and I didn't even order much. So yeah. So as you can see their logo. This is their logo here. Their official actual logo is everything 5pounds.com. Okay, so this website, my sister recommended this website to me in 2013, back in 2013. Ever since I've been shopping with them, not regularly, at least once or twice a year. I do go there, visit them, make a, like, if I have like £120, £100, I will just splash out, get everything £5, and so I will have a bunch of stuff. So over the years, I have accumulated stuff from everything5pounds.com. My shoes, my clutch, my coat, blazer, even bra. I bought at one time I bought a bra from everything5pounds.com, and that bras, because I bought multiple, some were from H&M and some was from Zara. I have bought a blazer, a very cute orange blazer from there, which happened to be from Zara. So Bobby's my uncle. Not Bobby's your uncle. Bobby's my uncle. So I got this nail stuff here I use for nails. So I'm just gonna use it. This knife, do not try this at home. I'll let use this for nails. So I'm just gonna use it to open the box. What we've got here. So today I'm only doing unboxing. All right, this if I'm gonna put this video on TikTok or YouTube or whatever, I'm gonna try and cut it short. Maybe do part 1, part 2, part 100, whatever. However, so let's just start with whatever I have got here. So yes, I'll put this here in my table. I just finished doing makeup, so I'm still in my makeup stuff. You can see some makeup lying up here. Okay, anyway, so yeah, this is what I've got. Over £8. Okay, this is a long coat. Let me just try this one. Everyone, Julia has gone big from size 8 to size 12. The weather is chilly in England though. It's chilly in UK. Yeah, I will start this on a separate video. So I just want to show you another thing I got at that Binto. See, Wow makeup. Yeah, Wow. Eye pencil, and the color is green for your under eye. I feel like trying it right now, even though I might risk of messing my makeup. Let me just try it for you. If I mess my makeup, I mess my makeup. This cost me £1.50, and it's pigmented. Oh, this is quite good for £1.50. So this is another one I'm gonna open. Yes, this is, oh, this is a jumper. and it's the hand is long. It's just what I like. I like off white jumper. I can wear any color. There is no big deal. Okay, this one, yeah, this is what it looks like. Here you go. So yes, I'm gonna style this for you. The second one here, let's just open this one and see what we've got. So I ordered them on the 16th and they arrived on the 2nd. I paid £3, just over £3 for postage. And the material here is woolly, you know, as you can see, it's flying everywhere. It's long, it's big, just the same as what I showed you before. So I'm gonna style it for you. The next time I'm gonna make this video, I'm just gonna concentrate on styling them. Everything £5 is no longer £5 anymore. Just bear that in mind, just in case you see me wearing something from everything, I'll say, oh, this cost me £5, because back then it cost me £5. Okay, here is a blouse. Oh, know when you go into your office, yeah, here is the blouse. So I'm gonna style this for you in future. I don't know when the video is gonna come out. I'm just showing you. This was really cheap. It wasn't the actual price I paid for it. This was on discount. I think this was £3. I thought, you know what, I got size, I got medium. Okay, so I don't know what that, yeah, anyway, we will style this. I'm gonna, you know, make a different video just wearing them and showcasing them for you. So now let's see. Yeah, I got another color. This one is like brown color. Yeah, it is brown. The same with the other coats. Yeah, 10 to 12, that is the size I got. And the 10 to 12, it have more rooms. So when you wear a jumper or something like that, because it's very cold in England, in the UK, in England, it's very cold in Britain as we speak. So it gives you rooms to actually put more stuff underneath. So it's quite big. So here we go. Again, like I was saying, it's those coats I showed you before is called midi waterfall woolly coats. All right, so they are woolly, which is supposed to keep you very, very warm. And we got another stuff here. I swear to God, this is size 8 to 10, said black. I don't even know what is this. Ordered this. I was fully aware that the hand was short. It didn't bother me because this is what I have right now. And oh my God, the UK winter said no. Oh wow, this is apps less than £10. This is less than £10. If it was 2 years ago, this would be £5. Now it's £8.89. Yes. Are you kidding me? This is so warm. So guys, I'm going to make a separate video where I try everything I've got and just show you the quality and everything, how I will style it when I'm gonna wear them. So that's what will come up on my next video. But this, I need to shut up. I need to shut up about this. I need to zip it. Anyway, I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.